Greetings and welcome to Cooking with the Count. It's been a while. A lot of things going on, a lot of exciting stuff going on. But tonight we're going to make some beautiful lamb chops. Look at these things. They're like perfectly cut. You know, you want them about 1.5 inches. We're going to cook them in a cognac butter. It's a fast recipe. I mean, you're only cooking them 4 minutes per side. Mix up your cognac, your butter, fresh herbs. It's good. Got sweet potatoes in the new oven. We updated, and I absolutely love this oven. It's a cafe. As you can see, it's got cafe doors. And the beauty of it, it's Alexa controlled, so I can talk to it. You know, I don't know how some of you feel about Alexa, but I love her to death. She answers my questions, she turns on my lights, she locks my doors, and does all kinds of stuff. So big thumbs up for Alexa. You know, I've got one there, I've got them all over the house. And if I have a question, I can just say, Alexa, how many tablespoons in a half a cup?
0.5 cups is 8 tablespoons.
See? Who needs a computer when you get an Alexa? Anyway, let's get started. We're going to salt them and pepper them. Want a decent coating of salt on these. I love lamb. I absolutely love lamb. Just don't find it around here as much. Up north, no problem. Down here, I guess they're the beef people down here. We're gonna heat the pan up. We're doing this in cast iron. We're gonna get it nice and hot. And we'll sear these until they are golden brown. I'll meet you at the stove over here. Okay, now we're gonna pan nice and hot. I'm gonna put in about 2 good tablespoons of oil, olive oil. Get that nice and hot. We want that sizzle. We want it to turn brown. And like I said, we're going to cook it for about 3 minutes. And that should make it just about perfect. Okay, let's drop these in. This pan should be hot enough. Oh yeah, that sounds pretty. Music to my ears. Party. Okay, I guess my 3 minutes are about up. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. See, if you leave them for the 3 minutes, you won't pull them apart. And they're going to be really super tasty. And they're looking extremely delicious. I'm just gonna, now you've got about 3 minutes on both sides. It's going to be about medium rare. So add a minute to every doneness that you want. Now, I'm going to turn off the fire because I'm going to add the cognac and the butter. So we've got cognac and all these beautiful herbs. Fresh rosemary. I have about 4 or 5 teaspoons and some fresh oregano. Oh, that smells so good. And of course some garlic. Put that in there. And okay, and we're going to add our cognac. Oh yeah! And that smells incredible. Flip them over again real fast. Like I said, yep, there's my timer. Gives me my 3-minute mark. Turn the burner back on. We'll burn off that cognac a little bit. Remember to turn off your burner before you put in your cognac, because cognac is possible flammable. You don't want to get burnt. Just turn it off for a minute. Pour your cognac in, then you can bring it back up again and burn off the cognac. As you can see, this is looking incredible, doesn't it? So it's going to be good. We have our sweet potatoes in the oven. I sliced them up. We're going to put in a couple pieces of zucchini with all kinds of fresh herbs on them. And it's going to be a deal worth waiting for. With that, we'll be back. Well, it's plated up. We'll let that rest. The rest of it's in the oven. It's going to be coming out in a minute. We'll check that out. If you love lamb as much as I do, I'm telling you what, it's really hard to just sit there and let it rest right now. I want to dig into this so bad. But we'll be patient and we'll wait for the rest of it to come out of the oven. And we're back. It's plated. It smells absolutely out of this world. We have zucchini, lightly dusted with Parmesan. We have sweet potatoes with butter, cinnamon, and a little bit of nutmeg. It's incredible. And of course, our beautiful star of the show, our lamb. I can't wait to take a bite of this. My stomach has been growling ever since I started cooking it. Oh, it's perfectly cooked too. Nice. Nice and medium. Wow, it's the best thing that I can say. They just melt them off. I mean, this is an incredible dish. Thank you for joining us with Cooking with the Count. We look forward to seeing you again. Remember, our cookbook is available on Amazon. Cooking with the Count. I'm not a chef. I'm a professional eater. It's $20. Check us out at www.cookingwiththecount.com. Once again, thank you, God bless, and have a great evening.